How to sell digital products on Patreon. So, of course, you're gonna need an account for this. So just go ahead and create one if you don't have one yet, or just log into your account. Once you're in your dashboard, go ahead to your shop. So we are in a new account, a new creator account. Also, make sure you create a creator account so that you can access this. But go ahead into your shop and press on get started with the earn more with commerce thingy. Then this is basically where you sell your stuff. So you have audience, free access, paid access, and whatnot. Usually just go for the paid access option. So just go ahead and put in whatever you're going to sell, since it is just going to be digital. So once you have finished putting your title, put in the price you want, and then a description. So just put in whatever you want, put in the details, of your digital product, put in a video, an audio, image, a link, attachments. There's also more options over here like a poll. So maybe you can put in descriptions on what kind of product you would be selling and an option for them. But once you have pretty much finished with that, you can go ahead and publish. So there you go. That is basically a digital product since it is digital and you're selling it for something. But that is pretty much how you sell digital products in Patreon, technically, one of the ways, of course. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.